Hello guys, how are you? So let's get started on PHP magic methods, and hopefully at the end of this course you can have a good grasp on how PHP works under the hood. So for starters, we are going to talk about all PHP magic methods from easy one to more complex ones. Honestly, I can assure you that you're not going to use half of these on a daily basis, but it's good to know how PHP really works, especially under the hood. And also, it'll show itself at some interview questions as well as some complex situations. There are about 16 to 17 PHP magic methods we are going to cover, and we're gonna go through the definition, when to use, how to implement, how to use each and every one of them. This short course is all hands-on, and we are not gonna talk a lot about theory because I trust that you know the basics of PHP and of course OOP. And finally, I hope we have fun with this course. So let's get started, shall we?